the 1111 portal is already open, and today is the most powerful day to do this ritual. And if you don't know anything about the 1111 ritual and you don't have time to do anything, that one thing you must do today is at night at 11:11 p.m. sit and write one of your wish 11 times and let the universe know that you are ready to receive it. That's the bare minimum. You must do it tonight. And if you need, you can set a reminder in your phone so that you won't miss it. But if you want to channelize your vibration and do a complete process, then I have already shared a video. But in case if you have missed it, or to give you a reminder, I am giving you the step-by-step process quickly once again here. The 5-step process that you can do today at 11:11 p.m. and then I'll clear some of your doubt that all of you are asking me in comment section. So this 5-step 11:11 manifestation ritual that I want you to do today is at 11:11 p.m. you sit, and when you can start it, you can start it exactly at 11:11 p.m. Now some of you are asking, do you have to do the complete 5-step process within just 1 minute? No, nobody is saying that, and that's crazy. Nobody can do it within 1 minute. The point is 11:11 time the portal opens, and that's when you start channelizing your vibration, and that you continue for next 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Like a door is opening for a moment, you enter into the door and you then do your ritual being there in that new vibrational state, and you let the universe do it. So first of all, you set a reminder and you start this process, or get ready by at least 11 p.m. or 11:05 or 10 p.m. so that you can start at 11:11 exactly, or 2-3 minutes before that, so that by 11:11 you will be already doing the process. So before you do the 11:11 manifestation ritual, prepare yourself, sit in a calm and comfortable and peaceful place, and get a notebook or your 11:11 manifestation journal. Many of you have bought this 11:11 manifestation journal in digital format and taken printout. If you haven't, you can still buy it, but this is in digital format. You will get it in PDF form, and you can take a printout, color printout or black and white printout. If you like, you can do this. So get a notebook or this journal and get a pen. Green color or blue color is fine, and then do this 5-step process. First, you sit calmly and center your self energy, align your energy with the universe. Take few deep breath, inhale, exhale, and tell the universe that you are aligned and you are ready to manifest. That is your step 1. Then in step 2, you write your 11 wishes. 11 wishes that you want the universe to fulfill for you. Don't think about the time, when, how, anything is going to come true. Just write if it has come true in past tense or present tense, whatever you feel right. Write it clearly, powerfully. 11 wishes in step 2. Now in step 3, you choose one of that wish and write it 11 times. Yes, so that you are channelizing and powerfully energizing one particular wish to let the universe know that this is what I am manifesting. And once you write that one wish 11 times, then you sit calmly, peacefully, and visualize for some time. Visualize for maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and visualize as if you are manifesting and receiving it. In case if you cannot do the visualization by yourself, you can check. We have many visualization on our YouTube channel. You can check some of those visualization and you play it, and that will also work for you. And then in step 5, then once again you tell the universe that yes, I am ready to receive it. I am ready to receive it, and you surrender to the universe. What do you surrender? You surrender your how, because that is what holding so many people back. And this is the quick 5-step process. You can do it at 11:11 p.m. In case if you are in a setup where you cannot do it exactly at that time, then you can do these writings before 11:11 p.m. and at least at 11:11 p.m. you can read these wish list, that 11 wishes and the one wish 11 times, and then visualize. Visualizing is very, very important at that point. But if you cannot do any of this, at least write one of your wish 11 times. That is why I have made this video, to give you a quick reminder so that none of you should miss it. And I want all of you to do this process for sure, even if in the shortest way or in a detailed way. Or those of you who like, you can even join our 11:11 manifestation portal program, which already joined by hundreds of people, which are a much deeper process that we are doing starting from today for 11 days. And if you want to join, I can put the link in the description and you can join that program as well. If you want to buy this journal in digital form, that link also I'll put it in the description. But here is the most important thing. This is the powerful day of the year. You should make most of it and you should do the practice, and you should share this video with someone. If you want someone in your friend circle, in your family, should do it. Because last year when I did it, and for many years I've been doing it, I have crazy manifestation and I made a video and share it before. If you have any doubt, go and watch that video. And one thing I want you to let me know is that when you will be done with the 1111 ritual tonight, after that, do come back to this video and let me know in the comment that you have done it. That will boost your alignment with the universe and also give me the confirmation that yes, you have done it. Some of the common question that I was getting in my earlier video of this manifestation ritual is, many of you are asking, you are outside India, so which time zone you should do it? Indian time 11:11 or your local time 11:11? You have to do it at 11:11 p.m. at your time zone, irrespective of wherever you are. First question. Second is, do you have to start exactly at 11:11? If you can do the process exactly at 11:11, that would be great. But if you start it few minutes before, but at the time of 11:11 you are in the flow, that's great. Third question, if you are in a setup where you cannot do the exact practice at that point, so can you write it before? Yes, you can write it before, and at that point you can read it and visualize. The next question was, let's suppose you are in a situation where you cannot able to do it at exactly at 11:11 p.m. Can you do it other time of the day? Yes, you can do it any other time of the day. Today is itself a whole day powerful, so you can do it any time of the day. Preferably you should try to take on at least few minutes of doing the process at 11:11 p.m. because that's where the alignment will be very, very powerful. And I want all of you to share it in the comment that if you are going to do this practice, if you are wanting this video to be here, and if you have watched my previous video and you are already doing the process today, or you are ready to do it at 11:11 p.m. Now, if you have any other questions or any other technique you want me to make video on, let me know in the comment. But let me tell you, today is such a powerful day. You should not miss this opportunity. That is why I'm giving you this reminder, this quick process quickly for all of you, because I want my tribe to manifest all your goals, desires, and dreams. If you're new here, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach and manifestation mentor. And for years, I have been teaching people from all walks of life to manifest their goals, desires, and dreams. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, be a part of our manifestation tribe, because we are going to create crazy manifestation here, and you will experience that. So subscribe to the channel and be a part of our tribe, because we are creating magic. And if you want to do the powerful 11:11 manifestation portal program for 11 days, then check the link and join it right now, because today we have started the program and you can still join it and you can take the 11-day journey with me. So thank you. See you in the next video. Keep manifesting. 11:11 is here for you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.